We guide you through how to create verified PayPal account step by step. So the first thing you need to do is go to paypal.com or download PayPal app from the App Store or Google Play. Then tap sign up and choose between personal account for everyday transactions or a business account if you plan to accept payments for products or services. Enter your active email address, create a strong password, and fill in your legal name exactly as it appears on your government ID to avoid verification issues later. Next, provide your correct address, phone number, and zip code, then confirm your email by entering the code PayPal sends you. After that, link your bank account or debit or credit card by going to the wallet section and selecting link a card or bank. This is required to verify your account and remove sending and withdrawal limits. PayPal may deposit a small amount into your bank. Simply check the exact amount and enter it back into your PayPal to confirm the ownership. Now, complete the identity verification by uploading the valid government ID issued such as passport, driver's license, or national ID, and make sure the photo is clear to prevent delays. Turn on two-factor authentication in your security settings for extra protection against unauthorized access. Once approved, you'll see your account status change to verified.